Here we are at AWSome Day Belgrade 2019, and we have some great guests here from Bosnia, and Dzenan is here with us. Dzenan is running AWS user group Bosnia. You also have your own business, and you enjoy using AWS. Can you tell us more about yourself and what you do for a living and what you do for fun?
Yes, hello Goran and hello Belgrade. First of all, thanks a lot for inviting us to join you and the AWS community in Belgrade. It's our pleasure to be here. In Bosnia. We started AWS user group in 2016, and from then we had more than 10 meetups, and we are at the moment, I think, one of the biggest IT community in Bosnia. We are working hard to expand our AWS community in Bosnia. We started separate AWS user group in Sarajevo and also in Banja Luka. We are looking to our first meetups in Sarajevo and Banja Luka as well. We will have some great guests from AWS. Also, we have planned to have workshops and online meetings where we will help people to certify themselves and to learn and start working with AWS.
I saw that great initiative about introducing people to cloud practitioner tests and certification. That's a great thing to start with the AWS. Or you're gonna do some webinars?
Yes. Well, idea came from the Dzenan Kostic from AWS because he held several webinars on Serbian language, and I noticed that the people who start to work with AWS, they more like to listen on our languages.
Should we switch?
No need. They enjoy to first to have some basic knowledge on our language and then to switch on English. So I started. I plan to give them opportunity to learn on our languages and to have their first certificate, which will be their path to AWS. Associate.
Nemanja is doing a workshop in Sarajevo for user group. Do you have some dates?
Yes, we will have dates. First, we will have meetup in Banja Luka, October 25, and then after that in Sarajevo, November 1st, we will have, I hope, amazing meetup with guests from AWS, Darko Mesaroš, Dzenan Kostic, and also AWS serverless hero, Aleksandar Simovic.
Oh, that's a great bunch of people.
Yes. Our goal there is to help students and all others to get some base knowledge about.
Okay.
To get some base knowledge about AWS, to get introduction, and then also at the end to hear about serverless, because that's the hype today.
So how can we encourage people to ask questions in our user groups? It's not so easy. People are shy, or what's wrong with our people? Can we push them, or
they are afraid of stupid questions? But there is no stupid questions. There is. I mean, it's like everyone will say that there is no stupid questions, but I hope that on those meetups we will talk on Bosnian and Serbian. Okay. So I hope that will motivate people to ask more questions, to ask for the explanation, what is in background, how that works.
Will it be in a form of workshop so they can actually try something?
For the first meetup, we plan to have presentations with small demos, and then for the second meetup, we will prepare workshops where we will have one-day workshop to get some hands-on experience. Yeah, that's the plan.
That's very important. Yeah. So tell us about the community, the company that you work for, and what do you do in AWS? What's your daily work in AWS?
Okay.
Is it boring, interesting, fun?
Well, no boring at all. I'm working for Tech company as a DevOps lead, and we have many clients all around the world. My primary and everyday job is to work as a production engineering team for one of the three major advertising platforms in the United States and in the world generally. So to be product engineering in such large organization means a lot to me. It motivates me. I have opportunity to work with best minds on the planet from the computer science. And for example, when AWS has an issue in US East one region, we had one component in US East which was affected, but we didn't lose single byte of data. So I was proud on our team because
with the EBS
yes,
like last month.
yes, I saw on Twitter multiple clients and customers was angry on AWS.
They didn't do the right job.
Yes, but for me and from my perspective, that's just the sign that you are not doing right job with your infrastructure. You have, if you lost your data, you have to change things, and to lose data is the worst way that to find out that you are doing something wrong.
Yeah.
So I really like my job, and beside my, I think that in IT industry there is no work time. So my job is basically my life. I enjoy to spend time with community, to learn new things, to read interesting blog posts. You are, for example, you are working, you are doing amazing work with your blog. So that's it, basically.
How's your life in Mostar? You live in Mostar, and
Yes.
you have so many connections to the outside world. But is there? Do people in Mostar understand how easy it is to jump so high and to be in contact with so many great people? Have some just like that. The
Well-
internet.
Well, I hope that they understood, because I started in one local company in Bosnia, in Mostar, and I worked for that company for I think 6 years. And after that, I started first with Alexander Nenov, who is AWS hero from Novi Sad, and then with him, he started his first AWS group in Serbia, and then after Serbia, I started in Mostar, and with through the community and the meetups, you have opportunity to meet amazing people. For example, today I spoke with you, with guys from Novi Sad, AWS user group. So that's important. The most important part of the community is to have connections and networking, and then that will give you an opportunity to learn and to put yourself into clouds.
Yeah, okay. So thank you very much for the interview.
You're welcome. Thank you.
I really want to call your people. Okay, he's the same guy. Yeah. I really want to call people to come and ask questions, and to motivate them to start doing that. Just because if they don't start asking questions, they will not get involved into this. And I see that you're really passionate and dedicated, because coming from Mostar to Belgrade, it's a long run, so it's not easy. So you obviously love it, and I want these people to love it and to see how cool it is. And keep good work, and I hope we'll have the opportunity to meet in Bosnia and some of your meetups.
For sure, we are waiting for you to have some cevapi on Old
Okay.
Bridge, and
Okay.
thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Bye.